If you love traveling but you think it's for only people with plenty money, my dear, that's a big lie. In this video, I'm going to share you 7 amazing places you can visit in 2025 on a small budget. You can visit any country of your choice with low budget, if only you know the right country to visit, you know the right country to go to. So let's get right into the video. Number 1 on the list is Bali. That's in Indonesia. You'll find cheap hotels there, beautiful beach, good food that won't cost much. It's peaceful and perfect for relaxing. If you want to go there with your partner, you enjoy the place. Second on the list, we have Cape Verde. This Verde make me remember Verde in Real Madrid and they lost their match. Well, let's get back to the video. Cape Verde is a hidden gem. It's not too crowded. The people are friendly. You enjoy the ocean views and the local food. Third on the list, we have Georgia, the country. I know it's in Europe, but it's still very affordable, especially the capital. I think they call it Tbilisi or Tbilisi. I hope you know what I'm trying to pronounce, and I hope I pronounce it very well. The food is great. Their food is great, and it's a safe place to visit. Fourth on the list, we have Vietnam. Vietnam is another great, wonderful country. People think Vietnam is just for human hair business or blah, blah. No, it's beyond that. You can travel around easily, eat delicious meal for less than $2. The city and the countryside are beautiful. It's a place to be. Number 5 on the list, we have Albania. I think I pronounced it very well. It's just like Greece, but cheaper. Greece is another country you want to be. Trust me. You see, you don't just wake up one morning and say you want to japa without you knowing where you're going to exactly, or because you hear people are saying the country is okay, this is you too, you want to go there. No, travel around, tour around, visit countries so that you know which one you want to settle down with. You understand? That way you know that okay, you are going, your japa is on the right this thing. Not be say you could just say you want to go Canada because people are going to Canada. Visit country that you know that yes, you're not going to start afresh. You already know what is going on there. So number 6 on the list, we have Morocco. Morocco, they will make you feel at home, honestly. You can visit the markets, see the desert, take and taste amazing traditional meals for lowest price. I'm telling you. Then number 7 on the list is our neighboring country here, Ghana. Ghana. Don't get me thinking because Ghana is not far. That means you're not traveling. Then you traveled. You change number. People cannot call you directly. Abba. So Ghana people, they are warm. They have warm people. As in warm people, like they are so okay and calm. Rich culture, lots of fun, places to explore. It is great for both solo and family travels. So these are the 7 countries you can travel with low budget, small money, chicken money. Don't allow people to be deceiving you that you can't tour around with small budget. That's a big lie. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to share you where to book or how to go about it. I'm gonna help you right away. And in this video, every country I shared are the countries I've been to. No cap. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. In this 2025, you snooze, you lose. So travel around. Take care of yourself. Feel yourself. Don't allow anybody to deceive you that you don't have money. Even people with urgent 2K, they are traveling. Bye. See you in my next video.